Hello and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Eric Bosha. I am the product manager for low vision devices here at Humanware. In today's little tutorial, we'll be talking about the Reveal16, the new foldable magnifier, 16-inch magnifier from Humanware. Uh, the Reveal16 folds, it looks like this folded. There are two big handles that you can use to lift the device when folded. In the back, there is an AC connector. The compartment for the optional battery is right here. Over here in the center is the camera, which does document viewing and also used to do distance viewing. So to unfold the device, I will hold with one hand the bottom plate of the device, and then with my other hand, I will use the handles purposely made to pull on the top part of the device until it unfolds like this. If I turn it sideways, you will see what it looks like. Once that's done, I can use my two hands on the side of the screen and pull out the screen and then adjust the height of the screen up and down. So once unfolded, the Reveal16 looks a bit like this. There are 4 buttons in the front of the Reveal16. The first one on the left-hand side is the power button, which is red illuminated when it's off and green when it's on. Then going to the right, there is a lock button, which locks the autofocus of the device. The big orange button is the zoom in, zoom out button, so you can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. Clockwise will zoom in, counterclockwise will zoom out. And then the last button on your right is the contrast button, so to change the color contrast on the device. And this can be programmed. There are 16 colors that can be chosen to be programmed on this button. To fold back the device, I will turn the device like this so that you guys can see. But the first thing to do is take the screen on both sides and pull it down and then push it backwards. So it looks something like this, which the screen is under the bridge of the device here. Once that's done, you can use the handles and just push on it so that it folds back together. And again, the two handles you can grab and bring it with you. It really is the best option to carry the device. The weight is well distributed when using those handles. So there you have it, the new Reveal16 from Humanware. Thank you very much.